Hey everyone, welcome back to our today's episode. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful feature of Microsoft Excel, pivot tables. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, understanding the pivot tables can significantly enhance your data analysis skills. So let's start right in. Okay, so things first. Let's understand the pivot table in Excel. A pivot table in a data summarizations to use to extract or the categorize information from a large data set into a more manageable and understandable format. Okay, like the step one, we will create a pivot table. And to create a pivot table, start by selecting data set you want to analyze and click any cells on your data and make sure you have the clear headers. And I just select them, navigate it, insert tips and the Excel report and click Excel will promote here. Just click over the pivot tables and here it is automatically select or Excel will promote you to select the range or data you want to analyze and here choose where you want to pivot table report to be placed. Okay, so you can choose the new worksheet or existing worksheet. So for this tutorial I will use the new worksheet, then hit on the OK, and just like that you have your pivot tables ready to go. And here you can see we have the blank pivot tables and now move on with step 2 and we will organizing the data. Now let's talk about organizing data within our pivot tables. Excel allows you to drag and drop fields from your datasets into different areas of the pivot table layout, such as the rows and also the columns, values, and also the filters area. These functions, these flexibilities enable you to customize the layout and a structure of your pivot table according to your analysis requirement. Okay, so for example, let's select the cells and it's automatically takes to the our values. Now take to the categories into the here the columns and product. I will take the rows. Okay, so once your pivot table is set up, you can start analyzing your data. So Excel provides a various functions and options within the pivot tables and interface like searches. Searches you can use this one like summarized values by sum, count, and also the average, and also the more functions allowing you to perform calculation and or derive meaningful insight from your data set. For example, if I count as the average, so here you can see our now data is the average in there. Okay, so if you want to show up summarize values by the maximum, so here now you can see the maximum value over here. So whatever you result, you can easily work this section. Okay, and other advanced advantage of a pivot table is the ability to visualize data using the pivot charts. With just a few clicks, you can create a dynamic interactive chart based on like the pivot table and making it easier to identify trends and patterns. So you can do by clicking over here and also go to the insert tabs, use the pivot charts, and from there you can easily select it. For example, let me select the cluster column chart, then hit on the OK. Okay, so now you can visually, this is by using or just clicking over here. If I use the product B and product C, and here we have or the visualizations with the product B and also the product C. Okay. And so the best way analyzing the data, this is the dynamic nature. If you are underlying data changes, you can easily update your pivot tables to reflect those changes. Simply refresh the pivot table. Like you go to the pivot table analyze and you use the refresh and go to give the refresh data. Like here, if I make something changes over here, like if I gonna make it the 5,000, this one, and hit on the OK. Now move to here, it doesn't change here. But when I click over the pivot table analyze and refresh it, now you can see the changes over here. Excel automatically recalculate the values based on the updated data set. Okay. So, and there you have it. Here, you very overview of a pivot table and their advantage in Excel. Whether you are analyzing sales data, financial report, or any other types of data set, pivot table can streamline your analysis process and help you inform decisions. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next time.